Dear students, in this video, I will explain you about how to solve the regression problem. So calculate regression equation of y on x from the following data and estimate the value of y when x is 125. So in this problem, y is dependent variable and x is independent variable. So in our example, y is the price and x is production. So production is independent variable, price is dependent variable. So look at the values given. We'll move on to the solution. So regression equation for y on x is equal to y is equal to a plus bx. So here a and b are the constants. To obtain the value of a and b, we are supposed to solve these two equations simultaneously. The first one is summation y is equal to na plus b into summation x. So in this case, n is equal to number of observations. A and b are the two constants, and with the help of x series and y series, we have to find out summation x and summation y. Okay, second equation is summation xy is equal to a summation x plus b summation x square. So in these extra two things we are supposed to find out with the help of x and y series is summation xy and summation x square. Okay, again I have repeated the equations here because we are supposed to use them for solving the constants to find out the constant. Okay, so here x series, so we'll find out the total of x series 854, then y series, we'll find out the summation of y series, then we'll go to xy, find out the summation of xy. Summation xy means x into y, x series into y series. Okay, then we need one more requirement, that is x square. Find out x square. So then find out the sum of that, which comes to 1,04,302. Now we'll substitute the values to the equations. Okay, the first one equation is summation y is equal to na plus b into summation x. So in our example, summation y is 98, n is equal to 7, and b is summation x is equal to 854. Then equation 2. So here summation xy is equal to 11,910 is equal to summation x 854a plus summation x square 1,04,302b. Okay, now to solve this equation we have to substitute equation number 2 by 122. So we have to multiply equation number 1 by 122. Okay, so that we get equation number 3. This is equation number 3. So 11,956 is equal to 854a plus 1,04,188b. So this is equation number 3. So now we will deduct equation number 2 from equation number 3. So we get 46 is equal to minus 114b. So therefore b is equal to minus 46 divided by 114, so that we get the value of b, which is equal to minus 0.40. Okay, now we got the value of b. With the help of value of b, we can substitute that to equation number 1, so that we can find out the value of a. Okay, substituting the value of b to equation number 1, 98 is equal to 7a plus 854 into x into, we have the value of b, so that is minus 0.40. So when you do the calculation, so the next step comes like this: 98 is equal to 7a minus 341.6. so therefore 7a is equal to 439.6, that is 341.6 and 98, so it comes to 439.6. So therefore a is equal to 72.8. So now we got the values of a and b, so that we can put it into the equation. We can substitute these values to the equation, so that the equation comes like this: y is equal to 62.8 minus 0.40x. Now, so in the problem at the end, we are asked to find out the value of y for a given value of x. So value of y when x is equal to 125. So y is equal to 62.8 minus 0.40 into 125. So y is equal to 62.8 minus 50. So therefore the value of y is equal to 12.8. Now let us work out the same problem with the another method, that is when deviations are taken from actual mean. So regression equation comes like this: for y on x is equal to y minus y bar is equal to r, correlation coefficient between x and y, into standard deviation y divided by standard deviation x into x minus x bar. To find out the regression coefficient, that is r into sigma y divided by sigma x, can be obtained as follows: summation xy divided by summation x square. Okay, now to find out small x and small y, small x is equal to x minus x bar and small y is equal to y minus y bar. So therefore first of all we have to find out x bar. This is the formula: summation x divided by n. N is equal to, we have already used that, 7, and summation x we have to find out here from x series. So summation x is equal to 854, so that we can find out the mean of x value, so 122. Then we can find out x, small x is equal to x minus x bar. So these are the values: minus 2, minus 7, minus 2, plus 2, plus 4, and minus 1. The last one is plus 6. Okay, we can also find out x square. So 4, 49, 4, 4, 16, 1, 36. So we need summation x square, so that is equal to 114. Now we need y bar. So this is the formula: y bar is equal to summation y divided by n. So therefore we have to have y series and you have to find out sum of it. So summation y is equal to 98 divided by n is equal to 7. So the final answer, y bar is equal to 14. So now we can find out small y minus y bar. So this is the values: minus 1, 3, 2, minus 1, minus 2, plus 1, and minus 2. So that we can find out the last requirement, that is summation x, small x into small y. So for that xy we have to do small x into small y: 2 minus 21, minus 4, minus 2, minus 8, minus 2, and last one is minus 12. So that summation xy comes to minus 46. Okay, now we'll put them into the equation. R into summation sigma y divided by sigma x is equal to summation xy divided by summation x square is equal to minus 46 divided by summation xy is equal to minus 46 divided by 114. So the value is minus 0.40. This is the value for regression coefficient. Okay, now we'll put that into the equation. Regression equation: y on x is equal to y minus y bar is equal to minus 40 into y x minus x bar. So we can find out the value of x now. So when x is equal to 125, y can be calculated like this. So y minus y bar is equal to minus 40 into x minus x bar. This is the equation. Okay, when y is equal to y minus y bar, it is already known, it is already calculated. 14 is equal to minus 0.40, that is the value of beta b, into x is equal to 125, so it's a given value in the problem, minus x bar is equal to 122. So we get y minus 14 is equal to minus 0.40 into 3. So next step, y minus 14 is equal to minus 1.2. So finally we get the value y is equal to 14 minus 1.2 is equal to 12.8. The same value we got in the previous problem too. Previous method too. Okay, we'll move on to the, that is when deviations are taken from actual mean. Okay, so to find out the regression equation, okay, regression equation is same like the previous method, but here this regression coefficient can be calculated with the help of this formula, that is capital N into summation dx dy minus summation dx into summation dy whole divided by n into summation dx square minus summation dx square. So here dx means x minus actual mean, sorry, assumed mean, and dy means y minus actual mean of y. That, so this is the x series and this is the y series. So now this is the equation, sorry, formula. So we need dx. Let us move to calculate that. So dx is equal to x minus, so assumed mean in this case, in case of x series, is 124. So these are the values, and we have the sum of dx. So then dy, so the sum of dy is equal to plus 7. So then we need summation dx square we need. So dx square is like this. So we have to take up the square of dx column. So summation dx square is equal to 142. So then we need dx square dx into dy. So this value comes like this. So 0 minus 36 minus 12, 0 minus 2 minus 6 and minus 4. So that the sum of dx into dy is equal to minus 16. So when we put it into the formula, so 7, that is n, into dx dy, summation dx dy minus 60 minus in the bracket minus 14. Minus 14 is the sum of dx into sum of dy 7 whole divided by 7 into 142 minus, open the bracket, minus summation dx is equal to minus 14 square. So in the next step it comes like this: minus 420 plus 98 divided by 994 minus 196. So in the next step we get this value. So minus 322 divided by 798. So therefore the final answer is minus 0.40. So now we can find out the value of y with the given value of x is equal to 125. So we'll put it in the formula: y minus y bar as the same is equal to minus 0.40 into y minus x bar. So y minus 14 is equal to minus 0.40 into 125 minus 122. Therefore y minus 14 is equal to 0.40 into 3. So that we get the final answer: y minus 14 is equal to minus 1.4. So the final answer is y is equal to 14 minus 1.2 is equal to 12.8. Thank you.